Did you ever wonder how you could make your own buttermilk? It's really quite easy. All you have to do is take a tablespoon of vinegar and add around a cup of whole milk and let it sit there for a few minutes, and it'll start to get thicker. Okay, it's been about 10 or 15 minutes. It's just a little thicker. But don't worry, it's acidic now. It'll work like buttermilk. Let's try it. Well, whole milk didn't clot very much, but let's just take a look. This is 2% milk. You can see a little bit of clotting in here, not a lot. And this is light cream. You can see it clotted a lot. Any one of these will make perfectly good buttermilk. Okay, now we're ready to start making the biscuits. 2 cups of flour. Tablespoon, that's 3 teaspoons, of baking powder. Okay. And then a half teaspoon of soda. And a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, let's mix this all together a little bit. And then we have here 2/3 of a cup of unsalted butter. And we just take our little pastry blender and work it in quickly to the flour. You want to get the big lumps out, but you don't have to get it so it's smooth, just so that it's kind of like lumpy sand. Okay. And then pour in our buttermilk. And mix it up with a fork until we have biscuit dough. This shouldn't take long. Here we go. If it's too sticky, add a little more flour. If it's too thick, add a little more milk. We're going to add a little flour. Okay, now here we are. Floured pastry marble, but you can just use your counter. Take the biscuit dough, form it together. Now what I like to do is roll it out and then fold it in thirds and roll it out again and fold it in thirds once more. Just add a little bit of layers to our biscuits. You don't have to do it. They'll look a little nicer. And that's it. And here you are ready to cut out our biscuits. And put them on the baking sheet. That makes around 9, and if you pull the dough together, you can probably get at least one more. Okay. Now, into the oven. Well, 10 minutes is up, and our biscuits should be ready. Let's see. Look at that. Look pretty nice, huh? Okay, let's have some dinner. Our dinner tonight is these biscuits and some leftover chicken pot pie filling that I put in the freezer. Chicken and biscuits, or chicken a la king if you like. This only took about 20 minutes, and it wasn't a lot of work. Bon appetit.